Hi everyone, welcome to story time. Feeling a little chilly, so I've got my jacket on, my sweatshirt. So today we're going to read Insect Quest, Hide and Seek. So I guess we're going to have to go on a hunt for some insects while we read. Let's see. Insects have interesting ways to hide from danger. Their bodies, colors, and markings help them camouflage or blend into their surroundings to hide in plain sight. So that's pretty cool, isn't it? That animals can camouflage themselves to hide from predators. Do you think you can find the insects that are hiding? Join these children in their insect quest and find out. Are you up for a challenge? Perfect, let's continue. There's something different about that leaf. Do you see it too? So look at this picture of this leaf. Does it look like a leaf, or do you think it's something else? It's a Luna moth. It did look like a leaf if you looked fast. Luna moths are some of the largest moths in North America. Adults are over 4 inches wide. Because they're nocturnal, which means they're active at night, Luna moths are sometimes called moon moths. The word luna means moon in Spanish. Luna moths have eye spots on their wings to confuse predators. And the wings are green to help the moth hide in the leaves of trees. Just like butterflies, Luna moths start out as caterpillars. So that is pretty neat that this animal camouflages itself in leaves so other animals can't try and eat it. Let's see what's next. Well, that's a funny looking branch on that tree. Take a closer look. What do you see? Do you think it's a branch or some sticks? Or do you think it's an animal? It certainly looks like a bunch of sticks. It's a walking stick. So that's a kind of insect, a walking stick. Walking sticks are a type of insect whose color and body shape camouflage make it look like it's just a stick on a tree. You might spy a young walking stick during the day when they're active, but adult walking sticks are nocturnal. Their eyes are sensitive to sunlight. The walking stick is one of the world's largest insects. Wow. They look like they're about 6.5 inches long. Oh my goodness, that's half of a ruler. And a stick's insect body is hard and bumpy, just like a branch or a twig. So if you look closely at it, it looks exactly like a bug that was made out of sticks and twigs, which I think is pretty cool. Let's go to the next one. Is there something crawling on top of the yellow flowers? It's so hard to see. What could it be? So if you look from far away, you might not be able to tell what it is. It's a honeybee. In a honeybee colony, there are many different jobs. The queen bee lays eggs, the nurse bees feed the bee larvae, and the baby bees that look like worms, worker bees, build the honeycomb, and the drones fertilize the eggs. They all work together to help the colony grow. Honeybees use honeycombs to lay their eggs. And did you know that bees are responsible for pollinating flowers and plants? So if it weren't for honeybees, we wouldn't have all the beautiful flowers that we see outside. And do you remember when we read the bee book and we read that they have little pollen baskets on the back of their legs? That's what you see right there. Little pollen basket where he stores his extra pollen. Now, what's in this green picture? What is that resting over there on those leaves? I see eyes and legs. What could it be? It's a grasshopper! Grasshoppers love to eat plants, which means they can sometimes be pests for farmers and gardeners. When grasshoppers join together, they can eat an entire field of plants, ruining the hard work of farmers and gardeners. That's tough. That's not really helpful to the farmers who work really hard to plant different kinds of plants to help their towns. A grasshopper's green color helps it hide among the leaves and the grass. And grasshoppers are good jumpers. So good that they can jump 20 times their body length. Imagine if you could jump that far. 20 times their body length. That is incredible. Have you ever seen a grasshopper before? They do a really good job blending in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's play hide and seek with a butterfly. So can you see a butterfly in this picture? Looks like it's a leaf on top of another leaf. Where is the butterfly hiding? I wonder. That was it the whole time. It was hiding in plain sight. This is called a leaf-wing butterfly. Leaf-wing butterflies are masters of disguise. When they fly, you can easily see their bright red and orange colors, but when they rest, their camouflage makes them blend right in with fallen leaves. Leaf-wing butterflies are difficult to spot because they typically live on trees, branches, or even the ground. So they blend in so well that you don't even know that they're there. And it's easy to see how the leaf-wing butterfly is so good at hiding. Look at the similarities between this one and an autumn leaf. So here is the butterfly. This is a real butterfly. And this one right here is a real leaf. Can you see how similar they look? There we go. They look super similar. That really does look like a leaf, both of them, which is pretty incredible. All right, take a closer look. There, in the grass, silent and still. What do you see? Blends in with the blades of grass. I see a praying mantis. Praying mantises' colors and bodies help them blend into green leaves. They can turn their heads almost all the way around to see behind them. What other animal does that? It's not an insect. An owl. They can turn their heads almost all the way around. This helps praying mantises look around to find something tasty to eat. How far can you turn your head? Let's try. So if I sit here, I can turn my head this far, and I can turn my head this far. So about halfway to my shoulders. That's where my head stops. How about yours? Same? Yeah, we don't really have necks that are made to do that. Our spines hold us in place. 2 Chinese martial arts have movements and strategies based on those of the praying mantis. So those of you who do martial arts, did you know that? There was a move that was based on the praying mantis. And when praying mantises feel threatened by a predator, they stand up and spread their forelegs to appear bigger. So they stand up and they put their arms out to make them look big. Now, look at these beautiful flowers. But is there something more? Can you spot where the insect is? That's right. What is it? It's a ladybug. Not all ladybugs are red, though. Many are yellow and orange, and these bright colors help them blend into flowers. But their colors and their black spots also help to protect them by sending messages to predators that say, "Stay away, I'm dangerous and I don't taste good." So did you know that? That's what their spots mean. to predators. Those spots tell the predators that they don't taste good. When a ladybug flies, its wings beat 85 times every second. How? That's like so many times in 1 second. I can't even wrap my head around that. And ladybugs are most active when their body temperature is 75 degrees or warmer. So that's probably why we see ladybugs in the summer and not the winter, because the summer is warmer. Today we found insects that use camouflage to hide from predators. Can you remember their names? So we have the moon moth, or the Luna moth. We have a ladybug. We have a leaf-winged butterfly. We have a grasshopper. We have a praying mantis. We have a honeybee. And we have a walking stick bug. Pretty awesome. Beautiful. The end. So, we talked about how most of these animals camouflage themselves into nature so predators can't find them. Do you remember what camouflage means? Yes, it means that they blend in so others can't find them. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right, my friends, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.